Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Shakila Rifa Andini with student number 21130423030. So in here I will explain about interpretation in tour guiding. So let's check it out. Alright, before we get to the further information, we will talk about the first topic. It is the interpretation itself. So what is interpretation? Literally, interpretation is the action of explaining the meaning of something. In tour guiding, interpretation is the process aimed at provoking audiences to do their own thinking and thereby develop their own understanding of your topic by presenting information with a strong and relevant view. The next topic is the tour method that is developed by Dr. Sam Ham, a professor from University of Idaho. So the TORE method or tour method, it is an acronym and guide to effective interpretation. There are 4 qualities emerged from a large body of research on how humans respond to communication when it's done well. Those 4 qualities are: 1. Interpretation needs a depth. 2. Interpretation needs to be organized. 3. Interpretation needs to be relevant. And 4. Interpretation needs to be enjoyable. So from TORE, T is for thematic. While presenting or sharing info into a topic, interpretation needs a depth. The depth makes your job easier because it helps you decide what to include, what to exclude, and what to emphasize. Them should be simple, usually expressed in a single sentence and answer the question, why are we learning about this particular topic today? For example, ants could teach present-day miners a thing or two about underground architecture. Or, ants are able to solve architectural problems in ways that we are still trying to understand. And then the second one is O. O stands for organized. Interpretation is organized when it's easy to follow and doesn't require a lot of effort from the audience. The guideline is most people are capable of handling only 4 or fewer pieces of info for any given task. For example, the them is ants could teach present-day miners a thing or two about underground architecture. And the sub-themes or connected points to share is ants are incredible efficient team players, ants are master communicators, and the ants' underground structure is engineered by the entire colony. The third one is R. R is for relevant. The interpreting information that's relevant to our audience is meaningful and it's personal. Meaningful means the audience has a connection to the info or some context from previous experience. And personal means finding a way to make your audience care about your job. For example, in meaningful, ants can live up to 10 more their own weight. Can you picture your dad picking up an SUV? And the personal is, without ants to disperse seeds, pollinate plants, and aerate the soil, we humans would lose the all-stars of our gardens, farms, and flower beds. And then the last one is E. E is for enjoyable. Successful communication is enjoyable when it is mentally pleasing or it brings about satisfaction. This can mean entertaining and engaging, but it also covers things are not necessarily fun or lighthearted. For example, use group members to demonstrate ant behavior, show a live colony or interesting photographs, use humor, tell a story about a typical day for a working ant, act out a scan, be silly, and have some fun. Okay, so that was the explanation of interpretation. Thanks for your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.